In today's video, I am going to explain how to swap two variable values without using a third variable in Automation Anywhere A360. This is very common question asked in interviews, and many interviewers expect you to know this approach clearly. Now I have already created a task bot in A360 and we will begin by assigning values to two integer variable. I have named them int a and int b. Basically, I created the variable one by one. First, I created int a and set its data type to number. Then I created the second variable int b with the same number data type. Once both variables were created, I assigned the values 5 to int a and 10 for int b. The challenge is here to swap the values of these two variables without using a third temporary variable. Normally in additional programming, we might use a third variable to hold one values while we reassigning the others. But here we will use a mathematical trick to make this happen with just the two variable. So what we will do is a series of three simple arithmetic assignment. First, we add both variable and assign the result to int a. Now int a becomes the sum of both original values. In case 5 plus 10 equals to 15. Then we subtract the new value of int a from int b and assign the result to int b. So int b now becomes 15 minus 10 equals to 5, which was the original value of int a. Finally, we subtract the new value of int b from the updated int a and assign the result back to int a. This gives us 15 minus 5 equals to 10, which was the original value of int b. And just like that, we have successfully swapped the values of int a and int b without using any third variable. Int a is now 10 and int b equals to 5. A clean, simple trick that often used in a programming challenges and definitely earns you some brownie points in interview. Now just confirm that everything has worked as expected. I have added a message box to display the final values after the swapping. In the message box, I am converting the integer values to string format so that they can be properly displayed. We are showing the updated values of both int a and int b, and once you run the bot, we will see the int a now hold the value 10 and int b hold the value 5.